Hi, I'm Jessica Holmes, and I am here to tell you guys about the book I read called Personality Plus. It's a book written by Florence Littauer, and it's about the 4 different types of personalities, and I think it really applies to where I'm at in my work right now because I have a classroom full of 13 2-year-olds, and they all have different personalities. And as I was reading these, I really thought a lot about my children in my classroom. I'm going to tell you a little bit about the book. First, I want to tell you that at the beginning of the book, she gives you a little quiz, the author does, so you can take it and figure out what personality type you are, which is really helpful, because then as you're reading the book, you learn more about yourself as well, and how to deal with other people. So that's a really cool part of the book in the beginning, is there's a quiz. There is 4 different types of personalities, and I'm going to tell you about the 4 that she mentions. The first one is the popular sanguine. She's known as the talker, the extrovert, the optimist. And then there's the perfect melancholy, and she's considered to be the thinker, the pessimist, and the introvert. Then there's powerful choleric. She's the extrovert, the doer, and the optimist. And then there's phlegmatic, the peaceful phlegmatic, which is the introvert, the watcher, also known as the pessimist of the group. I'm going to discuss these with you and just let you know a little bit more in detail how they affect each other as adults and also our students. So the first one is the popular sanguine, and that's the one that's the talker. That person has a personality that's really strong in that she can lead others because out of her fun and exciting demeanor, other people will have a joy to be around her and want to do the things that she sets up to do. And many teachers, I think, are sanguine personality. As a matter of fact, when I took the quiz, that's what I was. And then there's the phlegmatic we talked about, which is like the peaceful one that just kind of is the smooth soother of the group. And I actually have someone work with me that's that way with our children, and I'm so thankful for that in our group. As I read, I really found some attributes about her that really made me thankful to have her in my classroom with my children. Then there is the powerful choleric, and the powerful choleric is the strong leader type, born to lead. And this was really cool for me to read because as I was reading about this particular personality type, I thought of one of my children in my classroom who can seem to be defiant a lot of the times, but I come to find out I think she's just built to be a strong leader, and that she indeed is a powerful choleric. The last one that was mentioned was the powerful choleric. Oh, the perfect melancholy, and the perfect melancholy is one that that is the introvert, the thinker. See, these are the children that you'll see in the classroom that are watching from afar and kind of taking in the sights of the room. This book was so well written. It was written by a Christian author, and she even wove in biblical scripture throughout the book. So for me, I really liked that because I enjoyed getting to know about personality types and linking that back to the Bible. So I appreciated this book by Florence Littauer. I hope you guys do too, and it will really inspire you as a professional, as a mother, as a wife. It hits on all of those things. It also teaches you how to deal with people that are different from you, and how you can appreciate one another's differences and how to work on your own weaknesses and strengths. So I hope you guys get a chance to read it. It was really powerful. It was a good book. Thank you.